Hello children, how are you all? Hope you are fine at home. Stay home, stay safe. Children, we have seen 3 lessons no kanna. In that 3 lessons we have seen about plants. Yes, no? How plants are living, where do they live, how they are producing their food. Okay, how plants are useful to us. These are all things we have seen. Yes, no kanna? And we have seen about animals also. Where do animals are living. We have seen about the pet animals, domestic animals, wild animals. Yes, no kanna? How animals are useful to us. These are all things we have seen. Okay. Today we are going to see about birds. Today we are going to see about birds. How birds are flying. Okay. How where do they live. Okay. How they are eating their food. These are all things we will see now. Okay. Come children. See, we can see birds flying in the sky. We can see birds flying in the sky. They are feathered animals that live on trees. Where do they live? Where do they live? They are feathered animals. Yes or no? They have feathers. They are feathered animals that live on trees. That live on trees. They can walk. Yes, Kanna. Birds can walk. Birds can hop. What does mean by hop? Jump. Hop means jump. They can walk. They can hop. They can run. Birds can run. And birds can fly. Birds can walk. Birds can hop. Birds can run. And birds can fly. Birds have different body types and features. Yes or no? Birds will not look like humans or animals. Yes or no? They have different types of features, different varieties of features. Birds have different body types and features. They eat different types of food. Birds eat different types of food. Some birds eat plant parts such as seed, grains and fruits. Okay, what are the things birds eating? Birds eat plant parts such as seeds, grains and fruits, while others eat flesh of other animal. Okay, so birds eat plant also and birds can eat flesh of the another animal also. Birds use their claws. What does mean their claws? Their toes. Okay, their toes. We have toes in our foot. Yes or no, Kanna? So birds also have their claws and beaks too. What is my beak? See? See? Birds have different types of beaks. So birds use their claws and beaks to catch. Claws and beaks to catch, hold and eat their food. They are using, birds are using their claws, their toes and beaks to catch, hold and eat their food. See, we will see about the beaks of birds. What are all different types of beaks are there. So, with the help of the beaks, how the birds are eating their food, we will see now. Okay, birds are toothless. They do not have teeth, children. Birds do not have teeth. Birds are toothless animals. Birds are toothless animals. They have beaks to eat their food. See, they have different types of beaks to eat their food. Birds have different types of beaks. Birds have different types of beaks. Let us see about strong, sharp and hooked beaks. Okay, what are the flesh of other animals? Eagles. Birds like eagles, hawks, kites and vultures are flesh-eating animals. Okay, these flesh-eating animals are also known as birds of prey. Birds of prey. Birds like eagles, hawks, kites and vultures are flesh-eating animals. They are known as birds of prey. Birds of prey. They have strong, sharp and hooked beaks. Okay, so this strong, sharp and hooked beaks too help them tear the flesh of other small animals. Okay, these strong, sharp and hooked beaks are help the bird to tear the flesh of other animal and eat the flesh of another animal. See, eagle's beak, eagle, vulture and hawk. See their beaks, how sharp, strong and hooked. Hook means what? Curve. See, eagle, vulture, hawk. See, next is strong, short and hard beak. Strong, short and hard beak. Birds like pigeons, finches, peacocks and sparrows eat grains and seeds. Okay, birds like pigeons, finches, peacocks and sparrows eat grains and seeds. They have short, strong and hard beaks to crack open grains and seeds. They have to open the grains, they have to eat. Yes or no, Kanna? So, these short, strong and hard beaks are used to open the grains and eat the seed inside it. Okay, see? Pigeons, sparrows. See how the beaks look like? Next is curved beak. Next is curved beak. Birds such as parrots and parakeets eat nuts and other hard fruits like walnuts. Okay, so birds such as parrots and parakeets eat nuts and other hard fruits like walnuts. They have hooked beaks to help them crack open their food. Their curved beak along with their sharp claws, toes. What is the big claws? Toes. Sharp claws help them to climb trees. Okay. So their curved beak along with their sharp claws help them to climb trees. See? Parrots. Looking very cute and colorful. See their beaks? Curved one. Yes. Next is strong, chisel-shaped beak. Strong, chisel-shaped beak. What is the meaning of that? Birds like woodpeckers have sharp, long and pointed. That means chisel-shaped beaks. They use their beaks to poke holes into the hard trunks of trees and pull out insect to eat. Okay, what these beaks are? These type of beaks are used to poke holes. Okay, poke holes. Poke means what? Kuttaradu. Yes, no. So poke holes and into the hard trunks of trees and pull out insect to eat. Okay. See, long and pointed beaks. Long and pointed beaks. Birds like hummingbirds and sunbirds also have long and pointed beaks to suck nectar from flowers. Okay, so most of the flowers have nectars. Yes or no? If we eat the flowers, means the sugar like taste will be there in the flower. It's a honey. Yes or no? Honey will be there in the flower. Okay, so for sucking that honey, sucking that nectar, okay, birds have beak like this. Okay, see, birds like hummingbirds hummingbirds and sunbirds also have long and pointed beaks to suck nectar from flowers. They put their beaks inside the flowers to suck nectar from there. See the hummingbirds and sunbirds, how they are sucking the nectar from the flowers. See. Next is broad and flat beak. Broad and flat beak. Water birds like ducks and geese have broad and flat beaks with holes on its side. These birds take in the muddy water through their beaks. Okay, these birds are taking the muddy water through their beaks. Along with the muddy water, in some insects will be there and worms will be there under the water. So, along with the muddy water, insects and birds and some water plants also taken in. The muddy water flows out through the holes by insects. Okay, water insect adoda beak la poi maattikkum. Worms, insects, worms and plants are retained inside the beak. What does the mean retained? Retained means to keep or continue to have something. Okay, so water will be come out from the holes. Insect worm will be retained. Okay, it will be there inside the beak. What does mean by retained? Retained means to keep or continue to have something. To keep or continue to have something. Okay, see, broad and short beak. Broad and short beak. Birds like swallows have broad and short beaks. Birds like swallows. See the swallow bird there? Birds like swallows have broad and short beaks which are sticky inside. Okay, which are sticky inside. While flying, these birds keep their mouth open. Okay, while these birds, what type of birds? The swallows. While flying, while the swallows are flying, these swallows keep their mouth open. Keep their mouth open. Tiny insects get stuck inside their mouth and the birds swallow them. Okay. While it's open, while the beak is open, the insects will stick inside the beak and it will eat the insects. Okay, Kana? Next, we are going to see about claws. What does mean by claws? Claws help the birds to walk, hop, run, hold on to branches, protect themselves from their enemies and catch their food. See the claws, Kana? See, this is claws. This claws only help the bird to walk, hop. What is it by hop? Jump and run and hold on to branches of the trees and protect themselves from their enemies and catch their food. Different birds have different types of feet and claws. Okay. So different birds have different types of feet and claws. See, flesh-eating birds. Flesh-eating birds. Flesh-eating birds like eagles and vultures have very sharp claws known as talons. What is that? Flesh-eating birds like eagles and vultures, they will eat other animals' flesh. They have very sharp claws known as talons. See their claws now? It is very sharp. that help them to swim in water. What does it mean? Depth feet. The gap between two feet is connected. It is connected. See, the gap between two toes are connected. Okay, it will help them to swim under the water. See how cute it is. How they are swimming inside the water. Yes, this is a swimming bird. Next is a wading bird. Okay, what is a wading bird? Birds like cranes, herons and storks have long legs along with spread out toes. Okay, these birds can wade through muddy water without getting drenched. And muddy kulla maatikama it will help them to wade through muddy water without getting drenched. See how. So let us see now how birds are flying. How birds are flying. Birds have special body features that help them to fly. What is that special features, Kana? Let us see now. Birds have a streamlined body, wings and hollow bones and strong muscles. Okay, so what are the features are there in the birds to fly? Birds have a streamlined body, wings and hollow bones and strong muscles. In order to fly, birds move their wings in two types of movements. How they are moving their feathers. One is upward stroke, another one is downward stroke. See how they will move their feathers in upward stroke. See, the upward and backward movement of wings is called upstroke. Okay, see now. See, the upward and the backward, up and the back. Okay, up and the back movement of wing is called upstroke. Now next is downstroke. The downwards and the forward movement of wing is called downstroke. See, down and forward, down and front, up and back. Upward is up and back. Upstroke is up and back. Downstroke is down and front, down and front. Upstroke is up and back. Downstroke is down and front. Okay, see, the tail of a wing, the tail of a bird helps it to change direction while flying. The tails are helping the birds to change their directions. Next is feathers of a bird. Okay, so the feathers will be very fluffy, soft. Yes or no? You can see beautiful feathers. For example, what feather will be very beautiful, Kana? The peacock feather. Yes or no? Very colorful, very beautiful you will be looking. Yes or no, Kana? So, wings of a bird covered with feathers. Okay, so the wings of the birds are covered with feathers. Birds have three types of feathers. Birds have three types of feathers. What are they? Body feathers, flight feathers and down feathers. There are three types of feathers. Body feather, flight feather and down feather. What about the body feathers? Body feathers give shape to bird's body. Body feathers give shape to the bird's body. Next is flight feathers. These feathers are large in size. These feathers are large in size. Light feathers are used for flapping, providing balance and helps in changing the directions. Okay, so see about the flight feathers. Flight feathers are large in size. This feathers helps to flapping, moving, providing are small, soft and fluffy feathers that are present under body feathers. Down feathers are present under the body feathers. They help to keep the bird warm. They help to keep the bird warm. Next is nesting habits of birds. Where do they live, Kana? They will make nest on the tree and they will live there. Okay, for laying eggs. Why do they build a nest, Kana? For laying eggs, and they want to, the birds want to give protection to the younger ones. Okay. See, many birds build their homes called nest. Many birds build their homes called nest. After a set number of days, the eggshell breaks open and the baby birds come out. This process is known as hatching. This process is known as hatching. What is it by hatching? The baby bird break the shell of the egg and will come out of the eggshell is called hatching. Next, how birds build nest? Birds collect like twigs, the small trees, the barks and all, leaves, wool, cotton, straws, threads, pieces of cloth and paper and so on, etc. They use these things to build their nest in places like trees, terraces and wall cavities. The holes of the wall they can build a nest. Okay. See the nest inside? Inside the nest what is there? Egg is there. After hatching the egg, the baby bird come out from the eggshell. Understand, Kanna? Let us recall the lesson. We have seen about the beaks of birds. What are all type of beaks of birds we have seen? Strong, sharp and hooked beaks we have seen. Strong, sharp and hard beak we have seen. Curved beak we have seen. Strong, chisel-shaped beak we have seen. Long and pointed beak. Broad and flat beak. Broad and short beak we have seen. Next is claws we have seen, and flesh-eating birds, perching birds, scratching birds, climbing birds, swimming birds, wading birds, and we have seen about the feathers of a bird also. What are the types of the feathers? Body feathers, flight feathers, and down